Bro, I am so geeked right now because I swear to God, I got this specifically for those car rolling videos that you see on IG Reels.
We been on the block, them niggas stupid if they say we high. I roll with killers, demons, jackers, but I'm some pimpin'.
Yes, those ones. That's the type of time I'm on for this right now because I'm trying to do that with my car channel.
Here is Latrell here, your influencer of the year 2024.
Bro, this shit is cold as fuck. I'm wildin', it's like 12 in the morning. But I don't give a fuck. This shit's crazy.
I'm in the stool with liquor as a bet. Throwing up four, catch a op, he dead. He rests, hospital bed. I cannot sleep, I'll be old for the meds. Like what? I just put all this pain in my sniffing.
So I've been going camera crazy recently, bro. So this ain't my first DJI. I already got the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, I want to say. I think this is what this is right here. This one's the phone gimbal, and I stay using this thing, bro. I swear to God, it's so cold. So I can't even imagine with this one. Because with my car channel, I've been trying to do shots with like this for a minute now, and I can finally go ahead and do it, man. Because I've been going camera crazy recently. Like, I just got me a new, what was it? I got me an Insta360 Go 3, and I got me a GoPro Hero 12, and I'm about to go and get me a DJI, what is it? The action camera. The Insta360 Ace Pro. But the car community is huge in my city. Now I gotta go and do it with this. Can you believe it? We're finally back at the actual legendary unboxing table, bro. We're back. The glass table is back, and so am I. Because I finally got the world's most hard to get camera because it's out of stock everywhere, bro. I'm telling you. And the only reason I got this is because only the creator combo's been in stock. I can't even get it as a regular camera or not. So like, this is probably better anyway. But check this out. While I go ahead and flex my DJI Osmo Mobile 6, I'm gonna go and show you this on Best Buy over here. So if you look at this, and I'll go ahead and tilt this up for you so you can see, it actually runs $669, so it ain't cheap, bro. And as you can see, not available in my store, and I don't even think it is for any nearby location. Don't look like it, and you can only get it shipped right now, which I'm surprised you can even do that. But yeah, I've been going camera crazy, and this is just one of the additions, and this is probably like the most exciting addition that I got so far. Even though like that Insta360 Go 3, that thing is cold, bro. Anyway, apparently you also need an SD card, which I did not know at first, so I went ahead and did some research first, thank God, and I found out that you need an SD card, so I got this 512 gig SanDisk Extreme. Don't know why I said extreme like that, but anyway, we got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 here, the creator combo, and then you can see here that it looks pretty clean, bro. So we got a few more additions up in here than you would usually get in a regular box. So you can see over here that we got a wide angle lens, we got a DJI Mic 2 transmitter, so I already got my, I forgot what brand it is, Rode. I heard some sound tests, and I did not really prefer the DJI Mic 2, but I'm still gonna go and try that out, and then we got a battery handle up on here to go ahead and extend the battery life, because this is a built-in battery. We got a 2-inch rotatable screen. We got a 3-axis gimbal mechanical stabilization. So kind of like that Osmo Mobile 6 over there that I got. We got Active Track 6.0, and that is what I'm geeked for. So I got to go ahead and try that out. Full pixel fast focusing. We got D-Log M and 10-bit. We got stereo recording, and then we got pocket size. So bet. And then we got everything inside the box. So we'll go ahead and check that out ourselves. But let's go ahead and get this thing open, bro. Where is my unboxing knife, fat man? Here we go. Just like that. Let's go and get this thing open. So all we pretty much got is this plastic wrap around here. So that's pretty much all we need to cut. But trust me when I tell y'all, I'm so geeked to make these car videos with this thing. And oh man, I know everybody that I know in my city gonna be like, bro, you should record my car for me. So look like we got an easy pull tab, just peeling that off just like that. Easy. All right, bet. So look like all we gotta do is just lift it up at this point. And then here we go. Yes, sir. So I know I'm a little bit behind, you know, better late than never. But at the same time, though, I still want to go ahead and get this thing unboxed. So is that everything inside the box? Oh, no, it ain't. So we actually got something else over here, too. I'll go and look at that. But let's look at this first. Oh, shit, we got a lot of stuff. So real quick, as you can see over here, look like we got some DJI stickers over here. So that's going to be pretty dope. So I will not throw that to the side. Well, I will, but I'm not going to throw it all the way over there. We got a user manual and all that, but you know what we do with that? We throw that to the side, as always. And then we got this pouch over here, which I'm actually pretty happy that do come with a pouch like this. So let me go ahead and get that out there. And as you can see, we got a DJI logo, some branding around, and let's go ahead and open this up. And what's this over here? Look like it might just be a manual and stuff. So let me go ahead and open that up. And yeah, there we go. So Woo, boy, I'm so geek for this right now. That is small, man. Pause. No diddy. Anyway, so looking at this, as you can see here, that's going to be our DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oh, man, that's going to be so cool to work with, bro. What else we got up in here? So look like we might have the battery grip. It might be this. Let me go ahead and open that up and we'll figure it out. And it is not, or maybe it is. So I know with this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, I learned in some videos that it don't actually have something you can go ahead and screw it into a tripod or whatever. You got to go ahead and attach something like this at the bottom where you go ahead and just plug it in and it clips on the side. So it don't just plug in, but it clips in. But yeah, I just looked. This is the battery handle, and then you could go ahead and screw something on the bottom here with the tripod. So we do come in a box, and you don't need to get the creator combo to do this. So you could just get the regular Osmo Mobile 6 as far as I'm concerned, and then you could go ahead and attach it to a tripod or something still. But also, we got over here our microphone. So I never tried this before, and I'm gonna go ahead and try this now finally. So it looked pretty clean. I like how I can see the inside and everything too. This right here ain't really nothing too special. It's just our adapter so we can go and put on the tripod or maybe that car mount I was telling y'all about. But I heard a lot of folks saying that this is awkward to hold like without some kind of mount or something like that like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there. And apparently it should be more comfortable. And yeah, I could kind of feel it already. But when you clip this, make sure you clip it on both sides. Otherwise, you don't want your camera to go flying, man. So yeah, there we go. It's an expensive camera, bro. This is a nice case though, man. It got nice material. And then we also got over here, if I'm trying to get this out, and it is difficult, but we got a tripod. So this is a very small tripod. It's just going to be like a table tripod, but I go ahead and just flip it out like that. And then I'll go ahead and screw it right there into the bottom. And then you can go ahead and record your videos or whatever you want to do. And honestly, the video quality looked very impressive on this thing based off the videos I saw. Is this going to become my new YouTube camera? Hell no. Like you literally saw, I just got that new, what was it, Black Magic over there. So obviously not. But in a lot of scenarios, like maybe B-roll and stuff, I'll probably use this. And then we got some more stuff over here. So we got, what is this? It looks like, okay, it's a dead cat. So this used for your DJI mic. And then we got over here, it looks like we just got this. So you can go ahead and clip it onto there and then it won't fly off. So it's just a little lanyard. But yeah, you just clip that onto the DJI mic too, and then you don't gotta go ahead and deal with no wind noise. And it'll also look like we just got our Type-C to Type-C cable. So all right, bet it do look pretty short. I'll probably just use my phone charger, but cool. And then last up here, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be our wide angle lens, and it is over here. So if you want to go and get a wider view, you could just go ahead and magnetize that right there. And maybe that's the wrong way. All right, there you go. Now the magnets is not strong at all. So if they do this next time, they need to go ahead and just put some stronger magnets up in there. But we still not done with the unboxing over here. So we have some more stuff here on the side. So let's go ahead and bust this out and let's see what's up in here. So up in here, based off the unboxings I saw, this is going to be our hard shell case, which it is over here. So we got an Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. So I'll definitely put that on here. And look at that. That's actually pretty dope. So let me zoom in on this and you can see that we actually have a slot over here for our wide angle lens. And then we have this over here, which is going to be our, what does that say? Black Pro Mist. I have no idea what that is, but we'll figure that out eventually. And oh shit, I wasn't even done yet. So I think that's probably what they was talking about over here. Oh wait, no, I can already tell this is gonna be a magnet for our DJI mic too. So with this magnet right here, you put that behind your shirt and then you put this in front of your shirt and then you can just go ahead and magnetize on your shirt just like that. So I do that with my Rode Wireless Pro. But what we're all here for is the DJI Mic 2 over here. So man, look at that thing. It looks so cool. You can see here that we got some Pocket 3 branding on the left side. We also got a few microphones. So we got a microphone on the left, we have a microphone on the right, and then we have one on the back. And then we got a little bit of a grip to it, so that's gonna be pretty dope. And then we got that camera like they was just telling us right there, that 1-inch sensor. We have our 2-inch screen right there like that. And then we have a joystick, well, that's what I call the joystick. And then we got a record button. So yeah, holding this thing, it's actually pretty comfortable. Now, let me go and turn this thing on, and I'm assuming it's gonna be the record button. Let's see. Oh, yep, look at that thing. It's spinning around too. Yeah. All right, so let's go and click on English, and then is that how we click on it, or is it the record button again? And oh, it's a touchscreen. All right, so it's telling us to activate this in the DJI app, and I already got that because I got my Pocket or my Mobile 6 over there. All right, let's figure this out together. Profile, and then it should be somewhere here. Device management. All right, so let me log in, and apparently I got that wrong. So it just popped up by itself. I don't know what I did, but let me go and click on connect, and let's go and do this thing. 1694. All right, bet. So I don't think there's gonna be any other Pocket 3s around here, so I think we good. Especially no Pocket 3s that's being activated at the same exact time. So let me go and click on activate. activate. All right, bet. So it's registering my camera over here, and then we got DJI Care refresh. So I do want to go and get that. I'll get the 2-year plan. Just bought that, and let's go ahead and see what else here. So I don't want to go and do all that. Let me go and click out of that, and then click on OK. So that's somehow user feedback. Let's get started. That's what I'm talking about. Update firmware regularly. All right, bet. So now we are done. Let me go and click on connect here, and then let's see how this works out. So I can already see the camera. Like if I move something around here. Okay, yeah, you can't see it. Let's click on join. Let's see how long this takes. So I'm gonna give that a second right there. You can see that they did just charge me $55 onto my credit union. And just like that, we got no SD card. So I gotta go and put one in here. Move the stick to control the gimbal pan and tilt axis. All right, so it's just telling us the tutorial over here. So I don't think I'm gonna need that. But look at that right there. Woo, boy, that's what I'm talking about. Now, let me go ahead and bust into my SD card. So I always hate these packages. I'm gonna need some scissors or something like that. They always gotta do niggas bogus with this shit. And let me go ahead and get the dirtiest scissors I can find in my closet, because I was actually using this when I was doing yard work, so it's dirt all over it. Because I was digging a trench for a wire, so let me go ahead and throw that over there. And let's go ahead and get our 512 gig SD card out, which of course I still can't do. Fuck you, SanDisk. And all right, finally. So I'm not gonna need that adapter. I just need my micro SD card. So I'm gonna go and throw that in the camera. And like that, there we go. We got the extreme. So let me go ahead and pull that off, and let's go and throw that in the camera. So I got to figure out how to do that. Or, oh, maybe I don't have to. It's literally just right there. So let me go and put my SD card in there like that. Or which way is it? It's this way. All right. So now, okay, let me get this in here. There we go. So now we're good. And it says something about a firmware update. So I guess we'll do that too. 152 megabytes. So we have added support for 4K for UVC and 3840 by 2160, 25 to 30p output. Let's go and install this, and I'll get back to y'all. But before then, look at that. Oh, that's dope. So apparently you have this way for portrait, and then you have this way for landscape. So for portrait, you only go up to 3K, and then you get 4K on here. But yeah, the only thing I can think of that we have left to do with this thing is to go ahead and just put it to the test and see what's good with it. So let's get it. Bro, this thing is so cold, man. What's good, Melly? This dude literally over here trapped. I hate when you do this. Why do you keep doing this, bro? Every single time. Say what's good to you too, my boy. Say something. Say what's good. Yeah. And look what I just got in the mail from Amazon, bro. Like, these shots is finna go crazy. I'm finna go ahead and clean off wherever I'm about to go and put this thing, and these, man, just watch.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Look, bro, at the end of the day, this shit is so crazy, bro. I swear to God, I love this camera, and the fucking light just turned off. But come on, my nigga. I know you see these videos. This thing goes so crazy, bro. I'm so glad I bought it for sure. I definitely recommend it, and the hype ain't overhyped, bro. I'm telling you, it's there for sure. Like, it actually, like, medium. Like, I ain't think it was actually gonna be that cool, but I fuck with it. Get this shit for sure, because I'm telling you, you're not going to want to skip a beat. If you make content, you do whatever, man. If you just like making videos, get this thing. And if you're into cars, you want to make car rollers, I definitely recommend that too for sure, because this active track is legit, man. I ain't even put on my face yet. Hold on, let me do that real quick. Ooh, that's crazy. easy. Let's go, boy. But yeah, bro, I'll tell you, this thing, you gotta get it. I'm not being paid by DJI, nothing like that. They don't even recognize me. That's the crazy part. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you ain't see the t-shirt, Strawberry Gems, but my Glock don't, shout out to TikTok, bro. I swear to God, man. I love that app. I'm telling y'all, TikTok got me and so did this camera. So if you want to go and grab this thing I'm recording on right now, I'll leave a link down below. But for right now, though, I'm about to go and get up out of here, man. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and get this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. And go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Centec on Instagram and X and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And y'all let me know how y'all feel about this camera, man, for sure, though. Man, I'll tell you, this shit cold. It's definitely expensive, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, let's keep it a buck here. But at the same time, though, how small it is and I got my protection plate and everything, I'm straight, bro. I'm just trying to put y'all niggas on, folks. But for right now, I'm about to go and get up out of here, y'all. So y'all be smooth. I'm gonna get up with you next time.